characteristic of our... Sorry.
That was pretty impressive, wasn't it?
Sorry, I'm going to...
Novi telefonski servis 041 333 041, ja se izvinjavam. Quick was...
Students stunned to learn what this federal complaint... Oh my goodness.
We're all reacting here and putting on shit. We have nothing to... Welcome back to Hardball.
Filled in with some air,
okay,
not
so
as lower pressure, but Camille...
Chad,
let me talk, Carol.
Translate that for us. I don't know what that means. What does that mean?
Well, if you would let me talk...
You tell her to shut up. We don't have the clothes yet. I haven't written the clothes yet, Mother.
Gave his word to President Reagan that Israel would not... I'm not doing it again.
I think the lady expressed herself, and you're not here, you're there. Is there any question you'd like me to ask her?
No, I'll give you lessons on how to become a reporter later.
Well, I'll give you some lessons on how to be an editor, because I was your boss once.
Yeah, you were, and are no longer. How did that happen?
Well, I don't know.
Give turn to Bill DeMillo.
He was on a bye week, by the way, playing golf. He told me that defense is
I can't do it. Okay. We'll do it live.
Okay.
We'll do it live. Fuck it. Do it live. I'll write it and we'll do it live. Fucking thing sucks.
I mean, that's so rude. I can't believe it. It's so goddamn rude. Just, why does everyone all of a sudden have to move? I've had 2 fucking hours to move around. Wait 10 minutes. I'm sorry to explode by that, but it's like no one's ever worked on TV here before.
At 11, pay more at the grocer, but getting less. We'll tell you how to get the most. The fuck are you doing?
Bill Plant, CBS News, the White House. That's it. No more.
Possibly the life. Oh. Well, thanks,